Whether you're starting a business or just trying to get a hold of your personal finances, having an accountant can help you avoid a lot of problems and potentially save you a lot of money as well.
Even if you talk to your CPA 3 times a year, have a CPA, one that you trust, one that you feel comfortable with, one that you can talk with, so you can ask questions. You can pick up the phone and say, why did I do this? Why do I do this? Or do I do this?
Mike Peters spent several years working in a typical large accounting firm.
One day I just woke up and decided I wanted to do something on my own. And that's just my personality. I like to do things on my own, so of course, being me, I just tried to go out there, do it. It scared the crud out of me, but I just went out there and did it. And people started coming. I got clients and I started getting referral after referral. And a lot of people came, and I finally realized from several different people that it was I'm not as stuffy as some of the the stigma that accountants get.
Going into business for himself, Peters brought his laid-back attitude to his clients.
I like to be able to just have a conversation with a person instead of somebody who's being so uptight about their financials, because accounting is something that every business needs. They have to have it. I mean, some people, I've seen their books, they've tried to do it on their own and bless their hearts. I've got to fix it. That's why I try to get out there and help them from the beginning.
He advises to start early with a CPA. Not having one in the early stages of business could mean a lot of work and lost money later.
A lot of them do come during tax season. They're like, I need my taxes done. It's like, okay, what do you have? Well, I've got this spreadsheet and I've got all these receipts. Okay. You have all these spreadsheets and receipts. You're about to pay me a lot of money to go through all these spreadsheets and receipts to create a tax return. When you could have come in the first place, I would have set you up books. We would have that, and then the tax return would take no time at all because everything's already organized. You have paid me less, actually, to do the books for you and then do a tax return rather than just this tax return.
That advice continues to personal finances as well.
I tell a lot of people that I meet who are working for somebody or just have a W-2 and don't have much I say it's okay to do it on your own because it's just a W-2. You can use your personalized software. It's going to ask you the questions. I say, but as soon as you start getting itemized deductions, you need to meet a CPA. And the thought process is, oh, it's a CPA, they're going to charge me just so much to do a tax return. Well, in all honesty, somebody with just a W-2, a couple of 1099s here and there, it's really not that much to do.
To learn how a CPA can help with business or personal finances, visit WMPetersCO.com. In Birmingham, Casey Holloman with CBS 42, Living Local.